Hey folks, how's it going? It's April 19th, Saturday, April 19, 2025. Wrinkles and I are in a little spot here that we like to go to from time to time in the rainforest. It's near a nice little area where there's a brook here. This is usually year-round. This should be flowing year-round. And this is hidden infrastructure. The old Esquimalt Nanaimo Railway is up there. You see, that's the tracks up there. They're still up there. It's mostly an abandoned line. There's talk of repurposing it, maybe reviving it. But it'll cost about $500 million to make it a railway again. So meanwhile, we'll just go back to nature here. Enjoy the Spanish moss. Isn't that pretty? And the light is really cool right now. I like to film in this kind of... Isn't that nice? It's contrasting light. Well, anyways, folks, from the rainforest of Vancouver Island, about 3 miles from the shore, Wrinkles and I would like to say God bless you. I'm praying for you. Have a great day.